Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the font size of your windows. So please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So if you are not comfortable or satisfied with the font size of your windows, so currently this is the font size of my windows. If I click on the start button, this is the font size of my windows. So if in your case you are not satisfied or comfortable with the font size of your windows and you want to make it bigger, then here's the way on how we can do that. Click on the start button and go to settings. Or you can simply search for settings in the Windows search bar to directly get into settings. Then here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system, that is under home. Now, in the system, you can find display, monitors, brightness, nightlife, and the display profile. Click on that. Scroll down and you'll find scale and layout, and under scale, change the size of text, apps, and other items. This is 100%, which is the recommended one for my windows. So the font size of my windows is 100%. So if you're going to change the font size of your windows, click on this drop-down menu and you have this option 125%. So if I'm going to click on this, now the text of my windows will become larger. So if I click on the start button, the text are larger. If I go to my desktop apps, the text are larger right here. And if you are not satisfied with 125%, simply go back to start button and go to settings. On the left pane, click on system, click on display. Scroll down and you'll find scale. Click on this arrow and you'll find custom scaling. Enter a custom scaling size between 100% to 500%. So you can enter a size right here from 100% to 500%, but this is not recommended. And I also do not recommend this, so do not just attempt to change the font size of your windows into this bigger percent or from 100% to 500%, but simply go back to what is recommended. So I'll just go back to 100%. But in your case, if you want to make it larger, then you can do that. You just have to simply change it from 125% or any percent that you like. So the process is just very easy and I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.